Hello guys and welcome to a new brand video. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to remove a review on Airbnb platform. So the first thing to do is to go to your browser, either it was Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Microsoft Edge or any browser, and then you will need to go to airbnb.com. So after you click on it, you will be taken or redirected to the Airbnb website, and then you will need to create an account. So basically you will need just to click on this icon here at the corner. You click on it, and of course you are going to click on sign up, and after that you can either sign up with your phone number, or you can sign up with these alternative accounts, either Facebook, Google, Apple accounts or your email. So basically I'm just going to continue with my Google account, and then I'm just going to choose this account and I'm going to log in. So basically when you are going to create your account, all you need to do is to log in into your account and then just follow these simple steps. So now after that you log in your account, you need to know that it is impossible to remove reviews, but you can report them and it might result on removing the reviews. So basically now all we need to do is to go to the review menu. So basically just modify your URL, or you can just search for it in your profile. So basically we are going for user airbnb.com/user/ reviews, and then it will take you to the review menu or the review page, and basically here you will find all the reviews, and here you can just select the review that you want to report, and after you select it, all you need is to click on report this review, and you can specify the reason why you want to review this comment or review, and of course your report will be sent to the support, and they might remove it if it's violates the Airbnb review policy. So basically this is how you can remove a review on Airbnb. And otherwise, if you want to remove your review, all you need to do is to contact the support and report that you want to remove the review, and you will be able to remove it. So basically this is all you can do to remove your review on Airbnb. Thank you for watching and see you next time.